Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I'm about to show you guys how to duplicate a page in Squarespace easily. So first of all guys, open up your Squarespace account and you will land on your dashboard. And then open up the website where you want to duplicate the page. So I'm gonna open this one, and as you can see from over here we have different options. But all you guys need to do if you want to duplicate a page is to click on pages from over here. It will open up the different pages we have. So just for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna choose this one. You can for sure choose the page that you want to duplicate, then click on this setting icon and it will open up the page settings. But all you need to do is click on the general button and scroll down until you find the duplicate page option. Then just click on duplicate and tap on confirm, and so that your page will be duplicated. So yeah guys, that is basically how to duplicate your page in Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, take care, until next time.